What's up, herd? Today is Monday, September 16th. We have the FOMC meeting going on this week, and there is going to be some volatility in the markets, so let's get on into it. This is Bitcoin on the daily chart, looking at the last year of trading, guys. Last September, we were sitting at 26,580 at this point, guys. I'm so excited to say that we are nowhere near that. In fact, we're double that right now at 58,306. We have hit highs as high as 73,000, and although we're in a downwards channel looking at a downtrend, guys, I do think this is a massive bull flag that should send us in the neighborhood of at least 120,000, if not higher. Let's draw a quick line off the weekly chart to see where we could possibly be. If we draw a trend line from the tops of each of these bull markets, guys, I think we're going to be heading in the neighborhood of 120,000 at the top of this bull market. Not financial advice, but considering that we have a Bitcoin ETF now, this could be broken entirely and we could see those high prices as high as 240,000 to even 500,000 this cycle, which is highly unlikely in my opinion. However, I have to put it out there as some of the largest institutions have put those speculations out there. All right, getting back to the daily on this, guys, we are down 1.3% today on Bitcoin. I do think the FOMC meeting, whether or not we get a 25 or 50 basis point drop in the interest rates, I do think we're going to see lower prices in the short term, as it might be a sell the news event. Volatility should be high throughout the next couple days, guys. I do think we could come down as easily as low as 52,000 for Bitcoin, but I'm expecting much lower prices, to be honest. I think because we're in a downtrend, guys, we have the potential to come down all the way to about $45,000 by the end of this month, heading into October. But this is not news to you because I have said this before. This is the line in the sand for me, guys. 45,000 to 43,000 is the absolute bottom. We could get a wick as low as 43, but I do think we'll bounce off of this super strong into October and head into the next leg of this bull run. Looking at the yearly on Ethereum, last year at this time we were around $1,640, and this is actually my line in the sand for Ethereum as well on this current downtrend. We have seen some massive capitulation on ETH in particular, from the tops to the current price of over 43%, guys. But I do think we are oversold on this, especially if you look at the ETH to Bitcoin chart. We are below the trend line on this and heading towards historical lows, and I expect support around 0.036 to be the absolute line in the sand for a reversal on this metric. Again, this is ETH versus BTC. Getting back into the ETH chart, where do I think the price could go this week with the FOMC meeting? I do think we could easily come back down as low as 21.39, but the line in the sand for me, guys, as I said before, is around 1,689, which is actually where we started the year out. And if you look at the VPVR for the year, it is our highest node of support here. The trading has been the highest in this neighborhood over the last year. This reverse head and shoulders pattern that I mentioned last week isn't completely invalidated yet. Unless the price gets down here to about $500, I do think this inverse head and shoulders is in play, especially if we stay above the 21 EMA here over the next couple days. Now, if Bitcoin and Ethereum drop, so will BNB. So look out for buy opportunities in BNB, as it is a major part of the elephant money ecosystem. Getting into Solana, guys, Solana is down 0.3% today, but has dropped from 139 to 130 over the last couple of days. I haven't talked about money flow much on this video, but money flow is rolling over on this, but I could see this possibly heading up into the right. Solana is one of those tokens that I think will absolutely launch when we start getting into bullish territory on this. So I'm going to be stacking up my bags here, especially under 128. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, guys, Trunk is down 4% on the day today. We saw prices as high as 25 cents over the weekend. I would like to see us turn more bullish on this, guys. Whale money flow is heading up and to the right, though it could be rolling over right now. Going into the FOMC and all of the volatility that we are expecting, we could see a sell-off here though, but I'm really hoping that 20 cents is the floor for us, guys, and that we don't set lower lows below 19 cents. Last but not least, guys, I want to talk about the price of GNME, as it is a partnership that we have just started, guys. So if you got into this, congratulations. BT did have a nice voice chat over the weekend talking about an easy 10x from when he called it out around 1 cent here up to the 10-cent mark when he recorded the voice chat on Telegram. We did come down after that, but we are up 48% as of the last 24 hours, guys. And this could signal a new move to the upside on this, guys. So pack your bags and get ready to fly. With that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. We'll be back on Wednesday, and though I'll probably post before the FOMC meeting, I will give you some updates inside of Telegram to make sure that you know what's going on with the interest rates and how it will affect the price of these crypto assets. Have a great week, and God bless.